Hello everyone, we are excited to announce that the welding pipe mill equipment ordered by our customer has been successfully completed. These machines are custom built to meet the specific needs of our clients, ensuring both quality and efficiency. We are a professional manufacturer of pipe mill equipment with years of industry experience and technical expertise. Whether you need standard equipment or have special customization requirements, we are here to meet your needs. If you are interested in our welding pipe mill equipment or have any other pipe mill equipment needs, please feel free to contact us at any time. We are committed to providing you with the highest quality products and solutions. Thank you for your attention and support. We look forward to establishing a long-term partnership with you.